I'm in Conception. There's a little police headquarters on the roundabout there. That's a roundabout. Blue Church Cathedral there, just to give you an idea if you're trying to find this place. So it's nearer to the roundabout and what it is, S&R or Robinson's. So Robinson's is down here. So obviously if you pass Robinson's and it's on your right, it's this way. Not sure what this place is, or rather is going to be. Looks like commercial units on the bottom. Oh, apartments on the top. Now if you see this place and it's on your left, you know you're going right. No, you know what I mean. Now the best landmark for this is the Nike factory store. And the Nike factory store is in here. And City Smiles is on the top. Now, the reason I'm recommending this place is because, long story short, I went to 3 other dentists, and let's say I wasn't impressed. They either wanted to give me veneers or they wanted me to pull my teeth and put false teeth in. Now, I don't know what it's like where you come from, but the dentist normally tries to save your teeth, not just pull them out. Because it's an easier job for them. Sorry about the traffic noise. So I asked them how much the caps were, veneers, whatever it is you want to describe them as. And they wanted $28,000 per tooth. Now look, if you're on a good income, let's try and get off this road. If you're on a good income, $28,000 is pretty good compared to Western prices anyway. But obviously, like me, if you're on a budget, it might as well be $1 million pesos a tooth. But here, they give you 3 options, and the options start 8,000, 10,000, and then it jumps to 20,000. Now the 20,000 are the really good ones. They're very strong. They get a 12-month guarantee with it. But I need 4 teeth doing at 20,000. Well, we'll not harp on that one, but you know that ain't gonna happen. So let me just show you where it is. And please, I mean it, the staff here are very professional, very helpful, very kind, you know, jolly. The dentists, I think there's 2 dentists. There's the main woman, I think, owns the place, and then there's another dentist in another room. And she's very nice. And she's the one I've seen. So basically I just got my teeth cleaned here, guys. I can't remember exactly what it was, so I'll not say. I mean, the other dentists, I can't say who they were. I certainly can't video the place, because you know that would get me into a lot of trouble here. You can't slag off anybody in the Philippines, let alone a business. And I want to promote businesses here. I don't want, you know, any negativity sort of thing. So here we are, look, that's where we've just come in, and it's here, look. I seen it ages ago, it was advertised, and I couldn't find it because it's not very specific, or it may be, but I just couldn't find it. So get yourself here and make an appointment. You've got to make an appointment, guys. The other good thing is it's always busy. Now, busy places are busy for one reason, and that's because they're good. Yeah, this is the 4th dentist I come to, and this is the best. And the prices are very reasonable. The staff, as I said, they're lovely. They're very helpful, and the dentists are good. So give this place a visit, guys. I'm going to try and show you one of the dental rooms if the nurse will allow me. Sorry, the dentist said I could do it, but the nurse has to ask. Obviously, they're very busy. So I'll try and show you one of the rooms. Right, this is the X-ray room, guys. Look how modern this equipment is. Well, now they use this if you need braces or surgery. Right, and then when they took the pictures of your mouth, they check it on the system, and it comes up on here, look. So I'm not being paid anything, I'm not getting any discount. I'm doing it because I want to promote Naga businesses, you know that. So come here, guys, if you want your teeth doing, or go elsewhere, but I've been here, I highly recommend it. I keep asking, do you know a good dentist in Naga? And it's like, the last time I went to a dentist was about when I first come here to Naga. You can see my teeth are all cracked at the front, they're all disintegrating, and these are going the same way on either side. So I come here to see, I mean, you know, I wanted to see prices, plus I wanted to see how good it was so I could do a video. Hey, see how helpful we are, guys. You know, I've told you many times how difficult it is to be able to look around a hotel. And this is a dental surgery, and they're letting me look. And look how really modern it is and professional. And all the staff are very professional. And again, the prices are very reasonable. That you'll not get ripped off if you're a foreigner, because that's what usually happens in the Philippines, but not if you come here. So I highly recommend you come here, whether it's for whatever it is that you have trouble, whether you want your teeth bleaching, very cheap for your teeth to be bleached. American friend of mine come here, and he actually recommended it. I knew about the place before he did, but he actually drove me here and showed me where it was, because I kept walking past it. So if you ever want your teeth sorting, guys, come to City Smiles. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, don't forget the notification bell. So I can recommend this hospital, guys. It's Bicol Access Health Centrum, not Centre, Centrum. Now the reason I can give you a recommendation for it is because this is where I went when I had trouble and I have to talk in code with my testimonial. And I went here and I was here for 2 days. It cost me 89,000 pesos. Phil Health at the time paid 12,000 because I did a one-night stay in hospital. You know, what I would say to you is, don't think because it's the Philippines that healthcare is cheap, because it's not. And in many cases, they'll not let you out of the hospital until you've paid your bill as well. So you have to bear that in mind. But I can recommend this place. It's really clean, the rooms are nice, the staff are extremely helpful. Again, it's a private hospital. Make sure you check this one out first.